Is your clock always a few minutes behind? Let's fix that before it makes you late again. In this video, I'll show you simple fixes that work for wall clocks, desk clocks, and battery clocks. The most common reason a clock runs slow is a weak battery. Replace it with a fresh high-quality battery. Watch the second hand to see if it moves smoothly now. Dirty contacts can reduce power flow. Reset the time after changing the battery. Make sure the hands aren't touching each other or the cover. Gently adjust them so they move freely. A tilted clock can affect movement accuracy. Hang it straight and stable. Extreme heat or cold can slow clock mechanisms. Place the clock in a stable indoor temperature. Dust buildup can affect gears. Use a dry brush or air blower to clean it. Low quality batteries often lose power quickly. Use alkaline batteries for consistent performance. Most modern clocks use quartz timing for accuracy. Older clocks may simply have worn motors. You can replace the clock movement cheaply online. Remove the hands carefully before replacing the motor. Install the replacement mechanism, following its instructions. Reattach the hands in the correct order. Check accuracy against your phone time. For digital clocks, replace batteries and reset settings. If it's plugged in, check the power adapter. Some clocks have a reset button. Radio controlled clocks may take time to resync. Monitor the clock for a full day. If it stays accurate, your fix worked. Let's recap the fixes quickly. Replace the battery first. Make sure the hands move freely. Clean dust from inside. Replace the movement if needed. Keep your clock in a stable environment. And that's how to fix a clock that runs slow. Subscribe for more simple home fixes that actually work.